Everything you need, waves, girls, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be. Everything you need, waves, girls, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shantina. Protein treatments are very important for the health of your hair, and coming up on the winter months, your hair can get very dry and brittle. Your hair is normally brittle because it lacks protein and dry because it lacks moisture. Today I'm going to do a protein treatment, blow dry, and cut to get my hair ready for the winter months. Alright, so the products that I'm going to be using today are Alpha G Curlific Texture Wash, Alpha G Balancing Moisture, Alpha G 2-Step Protein Treatment, and Deep Conditioning with Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Treatment Mask. First, you want to make sure your hair and scalp is very clean. I like to cleanse my hair twice, then rinse everything out. This may seem very excessive, but I do have a lot of buildup on my hair these days, so I want to make sure I have a clean scalp and hair strands. After rinsing the shampoo out, I go in with my Alpha G 2-in-1 protein treatment. I put the protein treatment in a spray bottle to disperse evenly throughout my hair. You want to make sure that you are moving quickly because this solution is designed to dry and make your hair very hard. The product setting up is very normal, so don't be surprised. Just make sure that you are applying the protein from root to tip. After applying the protein, I blow dried my hair until it was very hard. So next I rinsed the protein treatment out of my hair, and my hair was very strong and the shine was definitely there. Next I added moisture back to my hair and also finger detangled my hair. Second step, I rinsed everything out and moved on to deep conditioning. I like to make sure that I put the conditioner throughout my hair from root to tip, sealing everything in with olive oil. Then I sat under my hot head for about 1 hour. Finally, next I am going to blow dry and trim my hair. I'm protecting my hair from heat by using the Tresemme Heat Tamer heat protection. And I'll put the dryer that I'm using in the description box, so make sure you go check that out. I like to blow dry my hair when I'm doing the trim because I can see what needs to be trimmed better when my hair is straight. If you look close, you will see where I do need a major trim. So the importance of a trim helps preserve your ends, help with length retention, stop split ends, and it helps your curls bounce back better. I do like to trim my hair from the back to the front, and I don't do anything extreme. Simply part from side to side, separate down the middle, then trim, or should I say really dust the ends. And I'm pretty much going to do that throughout my whole head, and I'll be back when I'm done. So now that I am done with the trim, you can see a big difference. Less tangles, looks more even, and it looks healthier too. I probably could have cut more, but I think I got everything that I wanted to get this day. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing and liking this video. And as always, please continue to stay focused and keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.